happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jen and welcome to the Chiu family. This channel is all about tips, tricks, and hacks in beauty, health, lifestyle, skincare. So if you like those things, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be specifically about oily skin. A lot of you guys have been asking me, Jen, make a skincare tutorial for oily skinned people. And I'm like, okay, this is such a good video to do because when I filmed this video, I actually had this huge zit on my face and I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of it. It's already going down, so if you want to see what my tips and tricks are, make sure you watch this video. And a friendly reminder, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, to definitely do because I post lots of get ready with me, skincare, makeup favorites, and lots of tips. So I'd love to see you guys over there. I'll put the links right over here so you guys can go and check me out. I'd love to see you. Alright, without further ado, what does everyone say that on YouTube? What does that even mean? Without further chit-chat, that's what I'm gonna say. Without further chit-chat, let's get started.
First up, grab a hot towel to steam the face and open up the pores. And now do you see that zit I was talking about? Big one right over there. You see it, right? For cleanser, I'm all about the Vichy Normaderm Gel Cleanser to help clear the skin of oil and breakouts. I always need to have one backup of this because it really saves my skin when zits pop up. I posted on Instagram recently that I would show you guys the new Clarisonic Mia Smart. It has a soft start to help you transition your skin to sonic cleansing over the first 2 weeks of use. So if you ever used a Clarisonic, you might have found that it was a bit rough, but with this, it makes it very easy for you to transition your skin into the full cleansing mode. It's super gentle, and if you want a deeper clean than your hands, I highly recommend getting this Clarisonic. Now I'm going to rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Next up, it's time to exfoliate. Here I'm using the SkinCeuticals Micro Exfoliating Scrub for combination and oily skin. Whenever I break out, my first inclination is to clean out the pores, and I do that with this scrub. It's a beautiful soft scrub which leaves my skin feeling super smooth and clean. Here's a tip. After you exfoliate, grab a hot towel and place it over the face for 30 seconds and let that sink in. I find that the heat helps activate the beads and makes the scrub work more effectively. Recently, you'll know that I've been loving the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. This helps reduce the oil on the skin and is alcohol-free, which is what I want. Tip: for oilier skins, do this twice a day. Now for my favorite, mask time. The Ulla Henriksen Cold Pore Plunge is one of my favorite masks to use. Taking my dollar store paintbrush, which by the way is perfect for applying masks, I'm going to apply this all over the face. I love this mask for when my skin seems to be breaking out. It helps reduce the look of pores and helps purify the skin. It's cooling and it helps detoxify, controls oil, so it's perfect for oily skin. I leave this on for about 15 minutes and then add cool water to rinse off and wipe clean. Totally love this mask. A great DIY, since I know you guys love home remedies, next time you brew a cup of delicious green tea, set aside 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. Let it cool, grab 2 cotton pads, and wipe this over the face. Why? Green tea is anti-inflammatory and also helps with oily skin. To spot treat, I love using the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% solution and topically apply this on breakouts and zits. Using tapping motions, I'm going to lightly pat this over areas that are typically more oily and break out often. And lastly, give your skin some much needed hydration. Here I'm using Clinique's Moisture Surge. Now just because your skin is oily doesn't mean you skip this step. Opt for a lighter gel cream like moisturizer. This one is oil free and gives my skin an instant moisture boost without feeling heavy. It also has hyaluronic acid which helps retain skin moisture and is so great for oily skin. And now, we're done!
So those are my tips and tricks on how to deal with oily skin. I typically get oily skin in the summertime and not so much the rest of the year, but for those of you guys who do get oily skin all year round, make sure you use a toner that's alcohol free. The toner is a huge staple, I think, that oily skin people should have because it helps reduce the amount of oil on your skin and it just makes your skin feel better. Make sure you wash your face in the morning and at night. I always say at least twice a day. I always find myself that it's worked, and for people who have oily skin, I think that's even more of an importance. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below with any other skin issues or skin conditions you guys want me to talk about. Make sure you comment and let me know what they are. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Be gentle, be kind, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!